man. Back on another video, man. Check this out, man. We up early, getting to it. Going to do a little DoorDash today. You guys see the title and the thumbnail. You know what we're doing later on today. You feel me? Hope everybody made it home safe last night. Everybody woke up this morning to another day. You feel me? Blessings for that. But like I said, I hope everybody's getting to it, man. You know, GE gang. If nobody knows what that stands for grind every day gang. You feel me? We a gang of motherfuckers that get up and get to it every day. No excuses. Grind every day. Make sure you guys go shop. Grind every day, living apparel. If you are about that life, if you're not about that life, don't even worry about it. But if you are, go ahead and copy something over there. Also, make sure you like the video, man. Let's get our shit back in the algorithm, man. Let's get this shit pumping and jumping. Share the video to Facebook, TikTok, whatever, you feel me? And we do have a giveaway going down at 4,500 subscribers. We're like 600 away. I'll show you guys what it is. It's a Chemical Guys product in a McGuire's bag. I'll show you guys later. Also, I'll show you what we got going on in the car next week. That video's to come. But right now, man, we're going to DoorDash. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Getting to it. We're about to go get me a chai tea, because I don't drink coffee. A chai tea. As a matter of fact, and as you can see right there, I got my oatmeal cookies to go with it. And there's the thing that we will be putting in today, man. A little iPhone, or not just iPhone, phone charger. So I no longer, and I have my juice, man. So we no longer have to use this. We can just set our shit down and it starts charging. So let me get this chai tea real quick. I know they open, bruh. I just saw somebody in this mouth. Nobody here? Oh my God. There's not even nobody here. I just saw a car parked over there, so I thought they was getting their tea, but I think they pulled up like me, and goddamn, what's that goddamn emoji? So I'm gonna have to wait. I think, matter of fact, it's a Sunday, so they don't open till fucking 9 o'clock, so looks like I won't be having my breakfast. Well, matter of fact, looks like I'm gonna be drinking my smoothie first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I gotta go to the bank real quick, man. Deposit some funds. So I always deposit funds, always taking out some funds. Bills. And I'm gonna catch you guys in a little minute. Right now, I'm about to press start on the on the DoorDash. So I'm at $0 right now. It's 8 o'clock. So I'll check back with you guys later to see how much we came up. I also had to take my son to get a goddamn haircut at 11. It's a, man, listen, when I got the day off, it's not even a day off. And I'm talking about a day off from my regular job. It's not a day off. I'm always running and gunning, you feel me? Still getting to it, because at the end of the day, we got our laser sights on a tunnel at the end of the fucking road. You know what I'm saying? None of that short-term shit. It's always long-term goals. So, I'm gonna catch you guys in a little minute. Stay tuned. Share the video. Yeah. All right, guys. So, this is gonna be my last one before I take my son to get his haircut. Let me pull over real quick. Hold on. Get that out of the way. Yeah, that's business. As you can see, this order is 20 bucks for this one. It was only 4 miles. Let me complete this motherfucker. Mine. Hold on. Handed it to the customer. Boom. So it ended up being a total of $25 for that one. You feel me? So, I made 55 bucks in 2.5 hours, man. You do the math, you know what I'm saying? So everything's moving pretty damn good. I'm definitely gonna make, my goal was always to make 100 bucks on Sundays. So I'm definitely gonna hit that. I'm gonna take him get his haircut in about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go eat some lunch, and then I'm gonna come back out for about 5 hours. So I'll definitely hit my 100. I'll probably make about 150 today. So after that, man, you know what time it is. We get to that title and that thumbnail, feel me? So let me drive back to the house, because I'm in a rush, god damn it. So give me a minute and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Oh, made it back to the house. So let's gonna show you guys. Oh, matter of fact, hold on. So this right here, hold on. This right here is gonna be at the 4,500 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be the Black Knight Radiant Finish. You know, if you got a dark colored car, this is gonna be that Chemical Guy shit for you, man. This shit is expensive. You know what I mean? Then you have the scratch and swirl remover. See that? Scratch and swirl remover. Chemical guys. Yes, sir. What else? Then we got the Chemical Guys Jet Seal. 12 months of protection, sharp luster finish, all that, man. You see it still got a tape on there, unused. You feel me? These ones just had the tape taken off, but they were never used. And I guess, you know, this is gonna be this is gonna be in there too. Goddamn speed scented detailer. You know what I mean? And the Meguiar's bag, obviously. So 4,500 subscribers, we are 600 away. So make sure you guys run it up. Make sure you guys share the videos, like I said, the TikTok, the Facebook, Instagram, shit like that. Get everybody over here that we can. They could possibly win that bag and everything else. We got a special one going 5K giveaways. We're giving away. I may as well show you guys now. I'm getting my office together, so excuse the mess. You feel me? But we're gonna be giving away a black Inspire shirt, t-shirt, and a white Inspire t-shirt, along with a black beanie and a gray beanie. So somebody's gonna win a black beanie and a t-shirt, and somebody else is gonna win a gray beanie and a t-shirt. That will be at 5K, but I'm showing you guys now. But let me show you this, the other thing. This is the other video that's coming right here. Let me show you guys. Let me see if I can. You guys see it? Yes, sir. You know what I mean? New rotors. My rotors are so fucked up right now. It's not even funny. New pads and whatever's in here. But yes, we have brand new rotors and pads that have to get put in. You feel me? So that's gonna be a video in itself. But I'm gonna finish this up real quick, man. I'm gonna let you guys in with this is the process, man. This is what you do when you grind. You got multiple strings of everything going down. So this is my process right here for making my hats. So I'm about to start creating this hat right here because we got another hat coming out in about I would say a month. So this is the process, just to give you guys a little heads up about that. Make sure you go shop right now. Oh, and check this out. Hold on. This is what we're doing today. This is what we're doing today, though, right here. But I finally got my chai tea, and I'm about to fuck it up with these iced goddamn cookies. You know what I mean? So let me do all this shit. As soon as I'm done with this, we're gonna head outside to the car, and we're gonna put in the wireless charging pad, because that's what you're here for, right? Hopefully all this other giblets you taking to heart. If any YouTuber, I'm telling you this right now, any YouTuber that gives you guys game and try to uplift you guys, you know what I mean, if you're having a bad day, or just spread the word of knowledge and power, you know what I'm saying? Because you know me, like I find power in your credit, being your own boss. And if you work somebody, still having your credit right. So if shit goes awry, you can go get that 800 credit score and go take out like a $100,000 loan until you get back on your feet. You feel me? So I'm always gonna preach that. That's part of the grind, everyday gang type shit. You feel me? So the only thing I don't like is when people, you know, come on here. I didn't get on here to see you talk or hear you talk about credit. I didn't get on here to see you juice and be healthy. Listen, it's a lifestyle. You feel me? If it's not for you, then cool, then click off. But the people that sit here and listen to this shit are the people that's gonna be way ahead of you. It's cool to sit up here and see us do the car shit, you feel me? But if you wanna have these things, we're like telling you how to get there. And you know what I mean? We're not just saying, hey, look at my shit, you know what I'm saying? You guys never gonna have, I'm not doing it. I'm trying to tell you how to get there. And I'm showing you the process of how I'm gonna get there. Clothing company, making hats, fucking DoorDash. I DoorDash this morning. I'm going back out at 3:30, you feel me? And working till 7. And then getting up in the morning and going doing my real job Monday through Friday, you feel me? Or Monday through Saturday. Come on, man, it's a grind. It's not called GE Gang for no reason. It's a reason behind that, you feel me? So, just take heed to that, man. Don't come on here with the BS, man, because I don't give a fuck about the comments. Like, I'm that kind of motherfucker. I just look at the camera and I just laugh. I'm like, yeah, that motherfucker ain't gonna have shit. He ain't about shit. Who cares? I don't have time to respond to it. But when I get the good ones, I'm like, yeah, that's that nigga or that's that female right there that's gonna take it far. Like, man, you inspire me type shit. Hence the inspired goddamn t-shirts and hoodies. Hello, for a reason. So, like I said, man, don't just get on here and take the knowledge and take the entertainment and take it as that. If it ain't for you, man, just go watch a car video and then go live in your mom's basement and just play video games. I don't know. I'm not talking shit. I'm just saying it's either one or the other. You feel me? You either one or you're two. If you're not one, you're two. You're not first, you're last. Ain't that what Cal said? You feel me? So I know I'm rambling, man, but I'm just spitting out real shit. It's just in the middle of the video, man. If I might chop some of it out. I might not. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna chop none of it out. I'm gonna get to these cookies, man. Then we're gonna head outside, put this charger pad in, man. We're gonna end this video on a good note, and we'll get ready for the next video. So give me a second. I'm gonna get at you guys in a minute. All right, y'all. We're going to put this in. Feel me? Let's get to it. Well, you see it. You see it. You see it. All right. Oh, you see this right here? Do not ask me about this. Why I have this screen back in here and why the fuck that screen is sitting back there. Why is the Tesla screen back there? This screen is here. There's a video for that. Just wait for it. I will explain everything about that. But for now, we are here to do this, man. Let me see if I can set this. Let me see that. I don't know if you guys can see me. Hopefully you guys can see me, but hold up. Before I do that, this is where I'm putting it because check this out. I was gonna put it in here in this little cubby, but that ain't gonna work. This little cubby ain't gonna work because if I take my phone, hold up, you will see. Take my phone. Nope, not gonna work. I can't put it in sideways because of the cigarette lighter. So I had to clean out my goddamn clean out my joint right here. This is where it's gonna go. So we're gonna take out this charger. Right, take out that charger. This is gonna be quick, man. I was gonna go with the hard wiring it. That's what I thought I was gonna have to do. This motherfucker right here makes it 10 times better, man. This is quick. This is a quick mod. Upgrade your car, man, like the goddamn Benz's, BMWs, Audis, where you put your phone in there and just set the motherfucker down and let it charge. All right, so as you can see, it comes with you can plug it in a cigarette lighter, but we're not doing that. Hell no. Let me see. All right, so what makes this thing fucking tight as hell, we don't have to hardwire because our cars come with, guess what, USBs. Guess what's in here? USB, one right there and one right there that I put in. That you can put 2 USBs in that joint. You know what I mean? Or we can plug in a cigarette lighter, but we're not doing that. We want our shit to be nice and clean. So, it comes with a fucking right here non-stick. I mean not stick. It comes with it so it doesn't slide and shit like that. But I'm gonna leave the plastic on for now. But I figure I'm gonna put this motherfucker in here. Look how easy this is gonna be. Put the motherfucker right here. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna plug this in here. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna put those, and then you see you get the red light when it's on. Boom. You know what I mean? Hold on. Let me put this motherfucker. Yeah, we're gonna put it just like that. Like that. Put this shit over in the corner. So your ass there. Boom. Now, look how easy that is. Check this out. Let's see if the motherfucker works. Boom. Yes, sir. just like that. You know what I mean? Close your shit up, open it up. You got your phone in there charging. I'm not gonna need to have it because everything shows up on my screen. Well, really, when I had a Tesla screen, everything pops up as voice activated with the CarPlay, so I don't have to sit there, look at my screen and charge while I have voice functions to do everything, text people back, answer phone calls, yada yada. So that's how easy it is, man. Very functionable. Take the motherfucker off, put it back, charging, just like that. You feel me? Easy mod. You feel me? Clean too. So, hopefully you guys can see me, man. I wasn't supposed to do it this dark, but like I said, I gotta get back out door dashing. But that's a quick, easy mod. Let me show you guys what it is, in case you want to ask. You feel me? Palm XS or Palm XS, however you want to say it. The C1 fast wireless charging pad. 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts. This motherfucker has the fast charge, universal wire charge, so you can put the Android on there, and it's a non-slip design, which I was saying earlier. And if you guys asking, man, that's my goddamn manufacturer keep hitting me up, man, about some shit that's going down. But you see, some people are gonna be able to put, like, I'm putting mine like this one has it in the goddamn center console. Some people can put it right there and it fits. Some people can put it in the middle right there. Some people, like I said, have it there. We don't have that. You know what I mean? There's nowhere for us to put our charger there and hide it. This is the most convenient goddamn way. It's nice and tucked away. It's gonna charge. You feel me? But that was a quick mod, man. Like I said, this is gonna take a couple minutes, but I've done my research, I've done my homework. This one has the best reviews and it works. You see it comes right on, and it has a USB for our cars. You know what I mean? You can't ask for nothing else. And it's only like 23 bucks. You can't beat it. I went ahead and yesterday ordered 3 more. One for my office, one for wifey, and one for my son to put in their room so they ain't gotta plug the shit in no more. They just set it down. You feel me? It's a lot easier. So yeah, that's it for this video, man. How quick is that, man? Y'all did some door dashing with me. Y'all saw how I do some of my work for my clothing. Y'all see the manufacturer hitting me up. You got some of that real talk about listening when somebody trying to put you on game. Just pay attention, you feel me? Now I'm about to go back and DoorDash. The grind don't stop. GE motherfucking gang. Grind every day, gang, click, whatever you want to call us, man. We that. You feel me? But like I said, make sure you go and shop Grind Every Day Living Apparel. Grab you something like that. You know what I'm saying? Grab you something like that. Make sure you share the video, like the video. Of course, get us back in the algorithm, man. We running it up. The views are definitely going up because I'm staying consistent. Gotta hold myself accountable, but I am staying consistent right now. So I'm really proud of myself. This is gonna be another banger. And I got a couple shorts that I'm going out, and then I told you guys I got that video that I'm working on where I'm gonna get the brakes done. I got some other shit I ordered that will be getting put on the car. So we got a couple videos lined up, man. A couple banger for you guys. That's just now getting 300s into the game, and people that's had it just haven't done nothing with it. You know what I'm saying? This the channel, man. Share it to your friends. You feel me? But that's gonna be it for the video, man. I gotta go DoorDash because it started raining. You feel me? And like I said, I will explain why this is here and the goddamn Tesla screen sitting in the back. Oh my god. It's annoying, but it's kind of my fault, I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. It's your boy. Oh, y'all, my bad for interrupting the video. I just wanted to show you guys with the light. I forgot my damn light in the house, but I want to show you guys because I know it's a little dark, but here it is in the light. I got my light on my camera. This is how clean this motherfucker is, man. Check this out. You know what I mean? Boom. You know what I mean? Take the motherfucker out. Clean, bro. You feel me? Straight like that. Boom. Look how clean that is. All right, go ahead, Fusion, end this video, man. God dang. Man, we out this motherfucker gone, yeah.